An isolated concrete pavement slab of length L is resting on frictionless base. The temperature on top and bottom fiber of the slab are Tt and Tb respectively. Given the coefficient of thermal expansion is equal to alpha and elastic modulus is equal to E, assuming Tt is greater than Tb, the unit weight of the concrete is taken as 0. The maximum thermal stress is calculated as. He is saying that there is a concrete pavement slab. I'll take this as concrete pavement slab of length L is resting on a frictionless base. This is plan view, and if you see from the side view, it is resting on a frictionless base. Now at top and bottom fibers, the temperature is Tt and Tb. Given the coefficient of thermal expansion is alpha, elastic modulus is E, Tt is greater than Tb. The unit weight of concrete is taken as 0, thermal stress that is developed. So top temperature fiber is more, bottom temperature fiber is Tb. So temperature increases. The top there will be expansion, bottom there it tries to compress, whereas base will not allow. What I am trying to say is Tt, with increase in temperature, this tries to expand and this tries to compress, whereas base provides stress in opposite direction, right? That's how you calculate it. But read the question properly. He said frictionless base. Base is frictionless. That means if it compresses, if temperature is less, it compresses. If temperature is more, it expands. There will not be any stress in it. There will be only strain. There will not be any stress. This is like, same example, a rod. If rod is fixed on both the ends, if you increase the temperature, then only stresses will, if you increase or decrease the temperature, stresses will develop. Whereas if it is free to expand in one direction, if we increase the temperature, it expands. If you decrease the temperature, it contracts, but there will not be any stresses developed in the member. The same thing, since the base is frictionless, the temperature will not, the stresses will not develop in the concrete pavement slab. So you can see the options: E alpha T, T minus Tb by 2, E alpha Tt minus Tb, L alpha Tt minus Tb, 0. So instead of doing all the calculations here, these type of questions are tricky questions. The answer is very simple. You have to see the frictionless base. That means stresses developed are 0. That's it. Thank you.